Welcome to Military Matrix. In this video, we'll explore United States Air Power 2025, the might of the world's most advanced Air Force. From cutting-edge stealth jets to heavy bombers, see what makes the US Air Force the ultimate power in the skies. Which American aircraft is your favorite? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Military Matrix. F-16 Falcon. F-15 Eagle. A-10 Thunderbolt. A-60 for Apache. HH-60 Pavehawk. B-22 Osprey. AC-130 Ghost Rider. B-1 Lancer. B-2 Spirit. We've seen some of the most advanced jets and bombers in the US Air Force, but here's the question. Do you think any country can challenge America's air dominance in 2025? Comment your thoughts below. B-52 Stratofortress. E-3 Sentry. KC-46 Pegasus. KC-135 Stratotanker. C-17 Globemaster III. C-130J Super Hercules. F-117 Nighthawk. T-38 Talon. Tu to Dragon Lady. RQ-170 Sentinel. MQ-9 Reaper. Legendary retired aircraft. SR-71 Blackbird. B-29 Super Fortress.